But in today's marvel of modern science and innovation, we bring to your attention a remarkable solution to an age-old urban challenge: graffiti. From the bustling streets of London to the quaint lanes of the countryside, graffiti has long been a subject of much debate. Is it art? Is it vandalism? These questions linger, but fret not, for progress marches on. Introducing, direct from the laboratories of ingenuity, the Lift Graffiti Remover. A product of unparalleled effectiveness, designed for the discerning custodian of public spaces and private edifices alike. Packaged in a practical array of 6 750 milliliters bottles, this elixir is nothing short of alchemical magic. Watch in sheer amazement as unsightly scrawls and unwelcome tags are effortlessly erased, restoring walls to their pristine, unblemished glory. Gone are the days of laborious scrubbing and the lamentations over defaced property. With just a few sprays of this miraculous concoction, the remnants of unwanted artistry vanish as if by the hand of an invisible restorer, balancing the needs of cleanliness with ecological mindfulness. So to the caretakers of our public thoroughfares, the guardians of our historical monuments, and the stewards of private establishments, lift the burden of unwanted graffiti with the Lift Graffiti Remover. Order today by clicking the link in this video or in the description. Telephonists await your call.